Hello there, my name is Lee, welcome back to another video, and welcome to the last video of the mini-series showcasing all the timetables that I got up in Blackpool. So in this video, this is the last video of all the timetables I've got in Blackpool, and there's only 2 timetables left, or should I say 1 timetable and a map. So let's find out what those are. So here's the table, and here's the timetable and map. So in this video, we're going to show you the map and the Blackpool Tramway timetable. That's right, Blackpool Transport produced a timetable for the Blackpool Tramway, which of course I mentioned in my route review episode, which I do recommend to check it out. But we'll start with the tramway map. So the Blackpool Tramway, of course, I'm not going to mention it here. Do check out the route review on it. It's basically the same as what I said on it. But as you can see, it shows the map, as always, shows all 40 stops. And it shows the timetable. So in the green bit, it shows all the services via Blackpool North Station. As I said in the video, not all trams go to Blackpool North Station. Every other tram does that. The other tram goes via the main line. But during the day, it's every 15 minutes throughout the day, as I said in the video. With all trams starting at the Stargate, because that's where the depot is. And the last tram terminating at the Fleet, starting at the Fleet Ferry. But that's the timetable for the Blackpool Tramway. The other one is the network guide. So yes, I'm aware this is not a timetable, but I might as well show it while we're here. It shows a map of the Blackpool Tramway map again, with all its 40 stops. It shows a bit of text, and then it shows a frequency guide of all the services. I did not have a timetable for the one service, which is every 30 minutes from Fleetwood to Blackpool. It's the most direct service, quicker than the tram, in fact. But as you can see, these are all the services they operate. However, it's not, as it does not show Route X2, which is a once-a-day school bus that runs. But yeah, as you can see, it shows a frequency guide for Monday to Friday, daytime, evening, Saturday, daytime, evening, and Sunday, daytime, evening. Which is just brilliant. Also shows popular destinations where you can get it. Go for things like Blackpool Zoo on the 5B, Chris's on the trams, on the 338, 5, 7, and 8, and also Fleetwood on the trams, 1, 5, 14, also St Anne's Lytham and Victoria Hospital. It also shows, and then of course the big thing you want to see is the map showing all the Blackpool transport services, as you can see. There is only one that crosses the river. Here, and that's the 5C service that goes all the way up to Knott End, where you can cross over there via a ferry. It also shows influence for Poulton and Field, aka Poulton, Victoria Hospital, and Blackpool, where you can pick up your bus. And it also shows the map of services. But yeah, that's the map, and of course, like most Blackpool transport timetables, it does show the fares. It also shows how to pay for the stuff as well, and out of showcasing that app. But those are the timetables and map and the buses. And with that, and this mini series showcases all the timetables that I got in Blackpool. I really hope you enjoyed this mini series of timetable reviews. If you do enjoy this stuff, please like, comment, subscribe. If you want to see all the other timetables that I showcase in this mini-series, please look through the playlist. But until then, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video I make. Goodbye.